PACT Act is the largest expansion of healthcare and benefits. It affects generations of veterans, Vietnam veterans, Gulf War veterans, and post 9/11 veterans. And what it does is it adds various conditions that are now presumptive. Veterans who are exposed to burn pits, toxic substances, who now have one of these conditions in the PACT Act, we can assume that that condition is due to their service. And it greatly enables us to be able to connect those two and provide benefits for veterans.
For the first time, the likelihood of you filing a disability if you were in a certain location at a certain period of time and you're suffering from a condition, it's 80% likely you will be granted that disability. That's unlike anything in the past for those of you who have experienced difficulties filing for a disability claim, and I think it will be filed and evaluated much quicker than it's ever been done before. I know it's hard to absorb that, but please avail yourself and all the people that you know to reach out to VBA if you think you have been exposed to a toxin.
There could be as much as 3.5 million, we estimate, and so far since the PACT Act was signed into law on August 10th, 2022, well over 700,000 have already applied. So we're really encouraged by the number of veterans who have applied, and that's actually why we're here today, is here in Wenatchee, is we want to make sure that we're going to where our veterans are. If veterans filed their claims for PACT Act before August 10th, they could potentially be backdated to August 10th, 2022. So we want to make sure that every veteran and survivor is aware of the PACT Act benefits and they file their claims as soon as possible. We're very protective of our veterans, and with any major expansion of benefits, there's a potential of fraud. So I want to make sure that anyone who's aware of anything that could look like fraud contacts the VA OIG. And that way we can fully investigate potential fraud.